Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Where would I better? For you go say you go do something and you not do it? Or say you nah do it and then you go do it? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, where you wait for? Do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 21 from verse 28 to verse 32. Tell me when you think. One man did have two boy picnic. Him go to the first one and say, "Hey boy, go and go work on my grape farm today." The boy say, "Me nah go nowhere." But later on, him change his mind and go. The father go to him next picnic and tell him the said thing. This one say, "Me I go daddy," but he no go nowhere. So tell me, which one of them do when father want? Them say, the first one. So Jesus said to them, say, "Me tell you this, and a true me attack, tax collector and sex worker, I go in a God kingdom before uno. Cause John can show you the right way, and uno name believe him. But the tax collector, them and sex worker, they believe. Uno see this happen, but uno still name change your mind and believe him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.